In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Ads campaign status quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just starting out, it's essential to keep an eye on your campaign performance. So let's get started with some straightforward steps to help you stay informed about your ads. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. This will bring you to the main overview page where you can access various features and tools available within Google Ads. Once you're on the overview page, take a look around. This page gives you a snapshot of your account's performance, but our focus today is to find out the current status of your specific ad campaigns. To do this, we'll look to the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll notice a menu with several options. Click on the Campaigns tab. This will take you directly to a list of all your active and paused campaigns. It's here where we can get some detailed insights. In this section you should see a comprehensive list of the campaigns you've set up. Each campaign will be itemized in a row with its name, status, and other important metrics displayed within the columns. What we're focusing on right now is the status of these campaigns. Look under the status column and you'll see a circle next to each campaign name. Now here's where it becomes interactive. Each circle serves as a visual indicator, giving you a quick idea of the campaign's current standing. A green circle typically means the campaign is active and running, while a paused campaign might show a grey circle, and a campaign needing your attention could be represented with a red or orange circle. If you want more detailed information, you just need to click on the specific campaign name. Doing so will open up an in-depth view where you can see performance data, adjust settings, or make any necessary changes. This process of checking your campaign status is not only quick but also very intuitive. For those managing multiple campaigns, it's a time saver. If you ever need to make immediate adjustments based on campaign performance, this dashboard is pivotal. So there you have it. Monitoring your Google Ads campaign status is an effective way to ensure you're always in control and achieving the results you desire. By making it a habit to regularly check your campaign details, you can make proactive decisions that benefit your advertising strategy. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks in the world of digital marketing.